Hello students, welcome to Science Learning Gateway. I hope you all are doing good. So I have a very good news as well as the most awaited news for the student of Karnataka board who are going to write their SSLC exam in the year 2021. So what is the good news? You all are really excited to know about that. Right. And the good news is that we have got the notification from the government of Karnataka regarding the reduction of syllabus for the academic year 2020-21 in view of the COVID-19 situation. As you all know, because of this COVID-19 situation, the classes are going online. So we have less time, and in that time only we have to cover the syllabus. So the government of Karnataka has also decided to reduce the syllabus so that we can complete our portions and the revisions can be going on smoothly, and after that you can prepare for your board exams. As you all know that CBSE, ICSE and other state boards like Maharashtra board, Goa board, they have already reduced the syllabus. Now the government of Karnataka has also reduced the syllabus, and in this tutorial I will give you the complete detail about the new syllabus of class 10th science. I will explain you everything, and the topic also I will tell you, so that you will not face any confusion. And now, and you can take the textbook and pencil along with you so that you can mark the skipped or the deleted topics in your textbook, and it will be easy for you to prepare for the exams. So now let's start with our discussion. This is a PDF given by the Karnataka board in their website kseeb.kar.nic. In that you can check that PDF. See, this academic calendar is from 1st September 2020 to March 31st 2020. Means after March only you will have your board exams, right? So this syllabus they have given from September to March. The total altogether we have 120 periods now. In that only we have to finish the syllabus. So the syllabus has completely reduced. Few of the portions has been completely deleted from the syllabus, and in few of the chapters some of the topics are removed. Okay, so accordingly we will be covering our topics and we will study according to that, so that it will be helpful for us to prepare for our board exams. Since in this PDF it is little difficult for you to understand what is written over there, it's little confusing also. So I will give you a complete information about the syllabus, what you have to study and what you don't have to study for the next for your board exam 2021. So let's start. So you can see in this PDF they've given the chapter wise chemical reaction and equation, how many periods are there from June, and reduced periods, how many are there available periods, and the last column is for learning point to be skipped and justification. Means they have given the reason also why they have skipped those or why they have deleted those portions for this syllabus, because those portions are already you have covered, you have already read those portions in class 6, 7, 8 or 9. So few of the topics are removed from few of the chapters. So now the syllabus has reduced, so we will start our discussions now. Okay, so till 16th chapter they have given the PDF like this. So from here we'll start our discussion. First of all I will tell you about the chapters which are fully skipped from the syllabus of 2020 to 2021 year. So these are the two chapters which are fully skipped for this year. These two chapters you don't have to read now. Chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equation, the first chapter of your textbook. This chapter no need to study now, because this chapter they have removed from the syllabus for the year 2020 to 21. And the next chapter is our environment, chapter number 15. This chapter also they have removed, as you all have read these chapters in class 8 syllabus. So the Karnataka government has decided to remove these completely these two chapters for the year 2020 to 21. So now altogether now we have 14 chapters. Previously we were having 16 chapters, two chapters are completely removed. Now altogether we have 14 chapters. Now some of the chapters are also there in which no changes are there. Means in which no reductions are there at all. 100% you have to read full chapter. So what are those chapters? Chapter number 7, control and coordination. This chapter you have to read completely. In this chapter no topic has been removed, no reduction is there in this chapter. Second chapter is heredity and evolution, chapter number 9. This chapter also you have to read completely. And the next one is sustainable management of natural resources, the last chapter from your textbook, chapter number 16. These three chapters you have to read completely, no reduction is there in this chapter. So keep in your mind, or you can mark in your textbook that these three chapters you have to read completely. After that we have some chapters in which partial reductions has been done. Means in those in these chapters few of the topics are removed. Okay, few of those topics are skipped and few of the topics we have to read. I will tell you what are the topics which are skipped and which we have to study. So let's first have a look on the chapters which we have to read partially. Acid, bases and salt. Chapter number 2. In this, few of the topics are removed. Metals and non-metals. In this chapter also, few of the topics are removed. Carbon and its compound. In this also, one or two topics they have removed. Periodic classification of elements. In this chapter also, two topics are removed. So I will tell you the topics. Next, chapter number 5. Life processes. Chapter number 6. Life processes. This is from biology. In this chapter also, few reductions are there. How do organisms reproduce? In this chapter also one or two topics they have removed. Light reflection and refraction. In this one topic is removed. I remember that one topic is removed from this chapter. Human light and the colorful world. In this also one or two topics they have removed. Electricity, one topic is removed. Chapter number 12. Magnetic effect of electric current. These two chapters are from physics. So many very minor changes are there. Means very few topics they have reduced in these two chapters. And sources of energy. In this and in the last we have one or two topics that they have removed. So I will tell you the what are the topics is reduced from these chapters. So altogether we have how many chapters? Two chapters are completely reduced. In three chapters we have three chapters, no reductions are there. We have to read these three chapters completely, and in this also 11 chapters total altogether we have, in which some of the changes are there. So overall our syllabus is reduced little bit. So now it's easy for us to prepare for the board exams, right? So now we'll start our discussion with what are the reduced portion of the chapter wise. We'll look at the reduced portions. First we'll start with chapter number 2, acid, bases and salts. In this I have written in the bracket concepts 2.1.1. You can check in your textbook. This is given in page number, wait, I will tell you the page number. This is given in page number 18 of your part 1 book. 2.1.1 is your acid bases in the laboratory. This topic is removed. No need to study this topic, as well as activity number 2.1 and 2.2 is also removed. So no need to study these things. Now concept number 2.1.2, how do acid and bases react with metal? Page number 19. This topic as well as the activity is removed. Now concept number 2.1.3, page number 20. This topic as well as the activity is removed. Next is our 2.1.4. How do acid and bases react with each other? Page number 21. This is also removed from the syllabus. But concept number 2.1.5, this you have to study. Reaction of metallic oxide with acid. This we have to study. Okay. So you can cross that topics 2.1.1, 2.1.2, 2.1.3 and 2.1.4 till how do acid and bases react with each other. Next topic is our 2.2.1, page number 23. What happens to an acid or base in water solution? This is also removed. And next is our 2.3.1, page number 27. Importance of pH in everyday life. These topics are removed. How are plants and animals pH sensitive, pH in digestive system, pH as a change of tooth decay. These topics they have removed. But the last topic that we have more about salts, that you have to read. And the last topic is 2.4.3, chemicals from salt, common salt, page number 29. In that you don't have to read about sodium hydroxide, baking soda and washing soda. These are the important topics, but you have already covered this topic in standard 8. Class 8 you have read in your state syllabus portion. So these topics are removed from your syllabus. And at last 2.4.4, are the crystals of salts really dry? Means about plaster of Paris and gypsum we have to read. So these are the topics which are reduced or skipped from your chapter acid, bases and salt. I hope you all have marked in your textbook. Now come to chapter number 3, metals and non-metals. In this chapter these concepts are removed. 3.1, 3.1.1, 3.3.1, 3.222 and 3.2.4, and the last one is 3.3, 3.3.1. But in this chapter little confusion is there, as we can check in the PDF of this chapter. See, so many concepts they have written 3.1 till there, and these concepts were studied in unit 4 metals and non-metals of class 6 and chapter 7 of class 7 that they have written. But in this chapter we have altogether 5 concepts only, till 3.5, but in this they have written 3.8, 3.11, 3.12, 13. So little confusion is there in this chapter, metals and non-metals. About this I will be confirmed, and after that I will tell you about that, about this chapter. Okay, so for now, what you can do is that don't make any changes in the chapter metals and non-metals. Now come to chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. You can have this chapter in your textbook part number in your textbook part 2. In this, concept number 4.1, that is that is in the first page number 1, bonding in carbon, the covalent compound, covalent bond. This concept is totally removed from this syllabus. And the concept 4.4.2 about ethanoic acid. Properties of ethanoic acid. In that, two reactions we have. Reaction number 2, reaction with a base. Page number 17, you can mark that one. Reaction with a base and reaction with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. These two topics are removed. The first topic is the covalent bond, and the second one is the reaction of ethanoic acid with base and reaction of ethanoic acid with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Only these topics are removed from carbon and its compound. Next chapter is our periodic classification of elements. In this, only two topics are removed, that is from page number 23, you can see Dobner's triad 5.1.1. That topic is removed, and the next one is Newland's law of octaves, page number 24. These two topics are removed from periodic classification of elements, Dobner's triad and about Newland's law of octaves. Now we will not read this chapter for the year 2021 board exam. Now the next chapter is life processes. This chapter is again in chapter number 6. This is given in your part 1 book. In this, almost half of the chapter is reduced in this chapter. What are the topics which we don't have to study now? Concept number 6.1, that is given in your page number 59. What are life processes? Now no need to study that thing. Then concept number 6.2, that is nutrition. Now we'll not read about nutrition and its type. Autotrophic, heterotrophic nutrition is not needed now, as you have already read these things in your junior classes. So no need to study now. And concept number 6.3, that is respiration, is also not required now. So till page number, from the starting page number 59 till page number 70. Now the syllabus is reduced till half. From page number 59 to page number 70, no need to read now. Okay, so chapter will start from transportation, page number 71 till the last page. We have to prepare for the exams. Okay, so three topics are removed in this one. What are life processes, what is nutrition, and what is respiration? These three topics are reduced from this chapter. Next is how do organisms reproduce. This is in your part 2 book. Come to your part 2 book. In this, only how many topics they have removed? Two concepts are removed. 8.1, do organisms create exact copies of themselves? Page number 37. And the next topic is mode of reproduction used by single organism. Means about fission, fermentation, fragmentation, budding, regeneration, vegetative propagation, spore formation. These topics are removed now. So two concepts are removed in this one. Do organisms create exact copies of themselves, and the modes of reproduction used by single organism. These topics you have already read in 8th standard, so these topics are removed. And your chapter will start from sexual reproduction till the last topic. So from this part, page number 43, we have to study in this chapter till the last one, reproductive health. Okay, so this was the reduction in chapter number 8. Next is light reflection and refraction. Chapter number 10. In this, few activities are removed. Activity 10.1 to 10.5 they have removed in this chapter. Light reflection and refraction. Other topics we have to cover. All the topics we have to cover in this chapter. Only these activities 10.1, 10.2, 10.3, 10.4 and 10.5. 5 activities are removed from the syllabus. Else we have to read the full chapter in this light reflection and refraction. Next is our human eye and the colorful world. In this chapter, only one of the concept is removed, that is reflection through glass slab or something was there. Concept number 11.1, 11.4. Concept level 11.4 is your dispersion of white light by a glass prism. Page number 103. That is removed from the syllabus. Full chapter we have to read. Only this topic we don't have to read. Dispersion of white light by a glass prism. Okay. Page number 103. This you can mark. This you can cross in your textbook. Atmospheric refraction and all we'll read in this chapter. From the beginning we will read everything, human eye, its defects and all, but only this topic we will not read, dispersion of white light by a glass prism. Next chapter is electricity. In this only two activities are removed, 12.2 and 12.4, and the sum of the numericals related to these activities are removed from this chapter, else we have to read this chapter completely. Okay, no topics are skipped from this chapter. Magnetic effect of electric current. In this chapter, the last topic is removed from this chapter, magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current, the last topic, 13.7, domestic electric circuits. This has been removed from this chapter, page number 131. The last topic of this chapter, domestic electric circuit, has been removed from this chapter, magnetic effect of electric current. And the last chapter we have sources of energy, chapter number 14. In this chapter only two concepts are removed. What are the two concepts that have been removed from this chapter? Chapter number 14, environmental consequences and how long will an energy source last us. These are the two topics which are removed from sources of energy. Page number 120, the last page of this chapter, page number 120, two topics are there, environmental consequences and how long will an energy source last us. These topics are removed from this chapter. So this was all about your syllabus. I have told you the every topics and the reduced portions also, and what are the chapters in which no reduction has been done, and two chapters are there in which chapters are there which are completely removed from this for the academic year 2020 to 21. Okay, and three chapters no reduction is there, and overall we have 10 or 11 chapters in which some of the changes are there. But in this chapter, metals and non-metals, some confusions are there that I will clear you afterwards when I will get the complete information about that time I will confirm about this chapter. Else you have to read these things only. I have told you the page numbers also, you can mark in your textbook, or you can go through this PDF also once. If you can understand, then you can understand through this PDF also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching my channel Science Learning Gateway. If this tutorial is helpful for you, share it with your friends also, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I will be uploading a new video, you'll get the notification for that. I will be discussing about the previous year questions also in I will make one series for that, and in that we will discuss the previous year questions of Karnataka board. So you can go through those questions also once, so that it will be easy for you to score good marks in your exams. Thank you for watching.